Attention! The content of this video is exclusively intended for educational purposes. Please use it responsibly and in accordance with the intended educational context. Welcome to CyberNexus. Today, we're going to guide you through the installation of Kali Linux in VMware. Firstly, ensure you have VMware installed on your PC. If not, you can find the download and installation link in the description below. Let's begin by opening VMware Pro 17. Once VMware is open, you'll see three options. Select Create a new virtual machine. Choose the typical, recommended option and click Next. Select Install a Disk Image File, ISO, since we have the Kali Linux ISO file downloaded. If you haven't downloaded Kali Linux yet, you can download by searching Kali Linux by using any browser. Browse for the Kali Linux ISO file and open it. Then click Next. Select the Linux operating system option, as we're installing Kali Linux, and choose the Ubuntu version. You can select any version you prefer, then click Next. Now provide a name for your virtual machine, for example, CyberNexus. You can keep the location as default or change it as desired. By allocating 50 GB of disk space, you can allocate as you want and click Next. Review the settings you've chosen and click Finish to proceed with the installation in VMware. Now you can see the specified settings. You can change setting later if needed. Click on the Power option to start the installation procedure. VMware will load the ISO file. You'll be presented with two options to install Kali Linux: graphical installation and install. We'll choose the install option for better installation. Select your language and location. Enter your hostname, for example, CyberNexus, and click Continue. Enter your desired username and password, then click Continue. Since we're using VMware for installation, select the guided option. Otherwise, choose Manual. Select the assigned disk and click Enter. Follow the instructions on the screen. Choose Finish Partitioning and select Yes. Follow the instructions on the screen. Select Yes for grub boot loading and select dev/day. Enter the username and password you created earlier. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Kali Linux. Before using it, open the terminal and enter the following commands. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt upgrade. Now you're ready to use Kali Linux. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Stay tuned for more content about cybersecurity and networking.